Shalom Chavrim, this is Richard Solomon, and this will be a demonstration or tutorial on how to use a free mind mapping iOS app called Connected Mind, which is located right here on the screen, for Judaic instruction and for staff development. Before I explain how to use Connected Mind for Judaic studies, I should say I'm making two assumptions. First, that you have an iOS device, such as an iPad mini, or an iPhone. And secondly, you know how to download the iOS app onto your iOS device. So if that's true, let's open up Connected Mind, and I'll show you a mind map that I created related to Judaic studies. Okay, so let's tap on this. And here indeed is the map that we have, and it shows topics in Judaic studies, and we actually have a Jewish star and 5 different topics: Israel, Jewish history, the Chagim, Tefillah, Hebrew, and Midot. And what's interesting is if you click on some of these items, like for example, if you click on Israel, you will be able to see that I have included a picture of Israel. Perhaps I'll let you see it larger. Okay. So you can also include pictures in your mind map as well. I think I have another one for Chagim. Let's see if that's true. Yes, so I have some of the pictures. I'll show you one of the pictures. Here's a picture related to Simchat Torah. All right, so what I'll do now is I'll show you how we actually made this. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over here where it says Map, and we're going to click on it, and we're going to start a new map. We'll go and click on the plus, which will give us a new map, and we'll call this a demo map. Okay, so demo mind, let's capitalize that, mind map. All right, so we have that now, and let's move this over, and we can make this larger if we wish by tapping it and doing that. We can also move it down, and let's show you how we add certain other kinds of items. So if we go to options, we see we can change the color. So let's say we wanted a different color. Okay, so we can make the color look like that. All right. We can also change the background color and the border thickness, and we can even change the shape. So let's say we wanted to change the shape into a Jewish star. So let's click on this Jewish star over here, and let's just move this thing up and actually make this larger. And we'll show you some other things. Okay, so let's say we want to add lines to this. And actually, I'd like to make this line a little bit larger. So let's see how we make this line larger. We go to Options, and see where it says branch thickness. We can change it to a larger size. Let's do that again. Options, branch thickness. Okay, and if you double click, you can write something. So you can write something like Israel. All right. And there it is. And if you want to add a picture, you just double click and you see over here where it says picture. You just tap on that picture and select a picture on your iPad that relates to Israel. Okay, I'm not going to take time to do that, but I just want to show you how you do that. Okay, so let's close this. Again, if you'd like to add another line, and if you want to, let's say the Chagim, which are Jewish holidays, and if you want to add a picture, you just click on this. Okay, so I'm not going to do that. But basically, you see how you can make a mind map with different spokes representing different ideas related to, let's say, Judaic studies. And you also can share pictures related to that. When you're finished and you want to share that with others, do you see up here where this box and the arrow is? You just click on that, and that will enable you to share your mind map with other places, including Wunderlust, messages, mail, etc. So what have we said? What we have said is that the free iOS app called Connected Mind can be used as a mind mapping or visual brainstorming app, and it is free for Judaic studies and staff development. Thank you so much.